Yeah, so hi everyone, this is Siddhi Keshriwal and today we're gonna discuss a very important concept which is arbitrage. So what does it mean? So arbitrage is something which calculate the difference of prices. Okay, so I'm taking the example here. So suppose you are in country A, okay, which is of Dubai, right? And country A is having a product called gold and the price ranges of 10,000, and in India the market B, or we can say the country B, the price is of 11,000. Now there is a difference of price which is 1,000. Now the price of difference is, and when you trick it as a strategy, it becomes arbitrage. Suppose you are purchasing gold from country A, which is Dubai, and selling your gold at country B of discounted price. Maybe you are using these strategies basically, so you must be gaining something. The margin is what? Your arbitrage. So there are most kind of arbitrage. The common one I am letting you know, which is stock arbitrage. So in the stock arbitrage, where you play with the shares, okay, suppose you purchase the share which is undervalued, and when it goes to overvalued you sell it. So this is what arbitrage is all about. And the another example is merger arbitrage. Suppose you got information in terms of insider information which is not good, which is not ethical, so remove it. Suppose you got the information from Mossack analysis, where you find you connect the dots of information by your own and it's ethical. So you gather the information, and when you gather the information, got to know that there is a merger, or they announced, the company already announced. So what you will do is you will purchase the stock, because if the merger acquisition happens, no, the price goes up. It's a fundamental, you have to analyze further for better understanding. So this is what we get as a profit. Then comes future arbitrage, which is obviously spot price difference of future price. Spot price is a present price. Whatever the price of present today is different from the future maybe. So this is what future arbitrage. So this is how this strategy works, and this is really very important concept in finance field, and basically in context of financial analysis. So yes, this was the video is all about. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel. Follow for more updates.